Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video. I hope you're enjoying your lectures, you're enjoying your day, you are enjoying yourself. Right now we are in our literacy class and we are going to do our letter for today. That is, I could not make much pictures of the same because I couldn't find much things. But yes, I have made two things for that because today's alphabet, I'm going to just introduce that. So I'm going to just show you the picture. One, I have made the umbrella, and the other is the unicorn. You like unicorn, yeah, right? So most of the kids have their themed birthday that is the unicorn. So I have made a unicorn for you and I have made an umbrella for you. Yeah. Because today's alphabet is, yes, it is U, umbrella. The sound is umbrella. So, unicorn starts with U, okay? We say umbrella, so that gives us the sound of U, and that is umbrella, up, right? So these are the words which give us the sound of U, okay? So we have umbrella here, and we only have unicorn, so we're going to just put it over here. Over here. So we have like only two things for our alphabet today. The one is unicorn and the other is umbrella. Okay, so I'm going to show you the alphabet. So this is U, right? Small U we're going to introduce. It has got this stroke and then this. It also has got two strokes. Curve, straight. A curve, right? Straight, right? And this just goes a little down over here, right? Okay, so curve and here, okay? So it has got also two strokes. The one goes up like this and the other goes down over here, right? One goes up like this and the other goes down over here. Now this says U, up, U, up, U, up, right? So this is the alphabet for today. That is U. Okay, so we can just put this over here as well. So you can just have a look at that. And now we're going to do the tracing on our alphabet number from N to Z because we're going to do the capital, the small U. So we are going to trace the small U today. Okay, so we are going to take out this book and take out page number 26. Oh yes, you can see the umbrella on page number 26 as we have the umbrella over here. So we have umbrella. So they say I use an umbrella when it rains. And we can even use the umbrella when it is very, very sunny, hot day to protect ourselves from the sun rays, right? So both the ways you can use umbrellas, but yes, we cannot use umbrellas if it's a windy day because the air just gets into it and then it just fly away. So we can use only umbrella when it's raining or when if it's a sunny day. Okay, so we are going to first trace U with the help of our fingers as we have done here. U, there are two strokes, so just take out this and we're going to do that over here. So with the pen, with the finger, first stroke, second one. First, second. First, second, right? This is small U. These lines come a little down over here, a little down, right? So we are going to do small U, right? Okay, circle every letter U in the umbrella. Okay, so we are going to trace this first, right? We've done it with our finger, right? And now you're going to take out your pencils. right? Take out your pencils and we're going to do it over here. You know that you're going to start with the red dot and you're going to follow the arrows. So you're going to do that, okay? So like this and this, this and this and this. Okay, now with the help of your pencils, please start tracing, and do remember to put the book flat on the table. Sit properly. Don't put the book on your lap and write. Okay, put the book properly on the table, hold the pencil correctly, and your posture should be straight, nice, comfortable. Okay, and now trace U. Okay, that's great. Yes, trace U. Very nice. Good. Yeah, that's easy even because you know how to draw the curved lines, you know how to draw the zigzag lines, you know how to draw the vertical and horizontal lines. Yeah, that's great. Done? Okay, show me. Very nice, very nice. That's easy. Okay, now we are just going to trace it over here, and here you're going to see that this lines goes a little down over here, just 2 dots. Okay, so you're going to trace it like this and then come down a little over here. Okay, that's great. Okay, yeah, so look at it carefully. The line goes a little down the curve. Okay, that's great. Yes, please do that. Very nice. Okay, that's good. Yes, nicely, comfortably do it. That's great. Okay. Yeah, you're going to write, you're going to trace the first 2 lines. And the 3rd line you're going to do as your homework, right? That's good. Okay, now done? That's great. Now show me. Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely. That's nice. That's very nice. Okay, what color are you going to do in this U later on? Which color? Yes, you're going to do pink over here, right? Yes, you're going to do pink over here, right? Okay, now look at this exercise. This says that circle every letter that is U in umbrella. Whatever is U in umbrella, you're going to just circle that, not any other alphabet or letter. Okay, so now look at this umbrella carefully, and first you're going to count how many U's do you see over here. We'll see, and then we will discuss about that. Okay, yeah, I'm just also looking at the picture. You also just look at the picture and count the U's. Okay. Okay, have you done that? Okay, I have also seen the picture, and I have also counted how many U's I can see over here. So how many do you think are over there? How many U's you have find in the umbrella? 7? Okay, let's see. Let's see how many do we find. Okay, there's number 1 at the top, 1. Okay, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay, we have 7 U's in the umbrella. That is great. Okay, now what you're going to do is just hold the pencil properly, and you are going to circle the U's. All the alphabet, U alphabet, you're going to make a sweet, sweet, cute circle around that. You know how to make a circle as well, right? Yes. So make a circle around the letter U. Yes, very good. Yes. There are 7 U's, so you're going to make 7 circles, right? Yes. That's great. That's great. Okay, that's great. So now this line you're going to do as your homework. You're going to color the U pink, and you can even color the umbrella. Now it's up to you whether you want to make it pink, the whole pink umbrella. Maybe you want to use another color, or maybe you can take like you color it multi. You take multi-colors and then you color the umbrella, right? So that's up to you. Whatever color you want to use, you can make it colorful. You can make like yellow, pink, green, purple, or red, orange, green, and pink, whatever you like. So that is up to you. Whatever you want to make it as colorful as you want to make it. You want to use one color, that's up to you. So you are going to do that as well as your homework, right? So we have done U today, right? The alphabet for today is U, and we have done the umbrella and the unicorn and up, and so there are like a couple of things which starts with U. So, and the formation we have done like this. Okay, so this was the small U which we have done. So the capital one we are going to do tomorrow, right? But before I leave, I'm just going to remind you for the subscription of the channel. I am again reminding you that you are going to subscribe the channel, and please do it right now. Yes, yes, yes. Just click the subscribe channel and give our videos thumbs up, because I know that you like them, and share it with your friends as well, so they can also enjoy the videos which you are just watching and enjoying, and having fun and learning so much. So yeah, this is it. And please, another reminder that please don't forget to wash your hands, to keep yourself organized and safe, and staying at home. Please don't go out in the markets and meeting people. It is still dangerous, a little dangerous. So it's good to follow SOPs, but because the only thing which you don't have to do is to staying home and keeping yourself clean, right? So you don't have to do any difficult thing. It's very easy. It's because it's for your safety, right? So you are going to stay home to keep yourself safe and keep others safe. And staying home, you can enjoy all the videos, and you can enjoy the learning. You can have indoor games. You can even play in your lawn. And if you don't have a lawn, you can play the board games over there. You can watch the videos which we are making for you, right? And you can do a lot staying at home as well. Talk to your mama, talk to your grandparents, have quality time with your family, enjoy, talk, play games, have fun. So this is the time that you are only with your family. So please make the best of this time. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, please, as I say, stay safe, be home, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. So till then, we see each other. I'm going to say bye-bye and Allah Hafiz.